Hello children, this is class 4th value education class and here I am Ashlata Jagdish. So today you are going to learn 4th lesson, that is try to take initiative. So what do you mean by initiative children? Here initiative means you should be the first one to take any step towards the work or decision. You should be the first one to take the decision for any of the work. That's called initiative. So once upon a time, there was an explorer named John D'Souza. So this story is about John D'Souza. So he was an explorer. Explorer means traveler, the one who travels to the place which are unknown or unfamiliar to the people. So one day he and his friends decided to explore a desert named Death Valley. Death Valley is the name of a place. It's a desert. Desert means you know, no? Where it will be very hot and you will find only sand dunes and the place will have less water. So that's called as desert. So he decided to explore that desert valley, Death Valley. It was so cold because nobody returned alive from the desert. See, to live you need first is air, then you need water, and it was desert first thing, so you will find less water, and in desert wherever you go you will find the same kind of place. You won't be able to identify it so easily. So people whoever went there lost his way and died because of scarcity of water. They will not find the way and they will not find water. It will be very hot. So whoever went there, they didn't return alive. So they died there itself. And John D'Souza and his friends went into the desert in search of gold. So they went in search of gold to that desert. They faced many hardships. So they also faced many problems. But as they were a traveler, they took all the things whatever were necessary. So they took all the things. Then too they faced the problems. But they returned home with much difficulty and were totally exhausted. Exhausted means got too much of tired. So however, they were also facing problems like others only, but they returned back with more difficulty. John went back to the desert the next year. So he didn't leave to go there. Again he went to that same place. This time he did not go looking for gold. First when he went to search gold only. But this time he didn't go to search gold now. So what for he went now? Apart from his supplies of food and water, he took his faithful dog Rubel with him. He also took many strips of metals with him. This time he had decided to make the desert a safer place for others who go there. He wanted to help people find way easily in the desert and survive. So first time he went in search of gold only. For next time when he went, he didn't go for search of gold. Instead, he went to make the desert a safer place for others to go there. So he has taken the first step towards the to make the desert safer place. So what he took along with him? He took food along with him, then he took water and he took a dog called Rubel. What's the name of the dog, children? Rubel. So the dog you know, it can find the way easily than the human beings. So he took that dog with him. Then he took strips of metals. Why he took that metals? He wanted to make them as sign spots there. So he took metals, he took food, he took water, and he had decided that he wanted to make that desert a safer place. Whoever visits that place should not face any kind of problems. So earlier many went but they didn't do anything. They themselves faced problem and they died there itself. But this person, he was very intelligent and he took the first initiative to make the desert safer place. And then John used the metal strips to build sign spots. As I said, those metal strips he made as a sign spots, means he marked on the metal strips saying there is water available and where is shade available, shelter available. So these all things he has made on the metal strips. These sign spots would tell people where they could find water or shelter. Rubel used his skills as a dog to help John. You know children, dogs will help human beings more. So his dog helped him to find the water and all, and there he made the sign. He guided John to where tired travelers needed help. Who made Rubel. So the dog helped John to find the things. John and Rubel did this to make the desert safer for others. So what they were trying? They were trying to make the place safer for others, one who comes there. Year and year, Rubel and John went to improve on what they had done the previous year. This year they made sign spots. Then next year they'll go and they'll make the facility for water. Like this, they have taken their step towards the improvement of the desert, children. Today, Death Valley is no longer a valley of death because John D'Souza took the initiative to make it safe. Now, they have made sign spots, they have made the facilities for others, whoever visits there. So now, it's no more a death valley, and now it is safe for others to visit. So, children, what do you understand by this story? Instead of complaining about a problem, try to take an initiative to solve it. So, we will be saying always, this has been not done, that has been not done. Instead of complaining on others, we need to take step to improve it. That's called initiative. So, it is very important to take initiative for any of the work. Without others telling you, you have to do this, you have to read, you have to write. Instead of somebody complaining on you, you should take the initiative first. So, you should be the first one to take initiative. Then you will succeed in your life. So, this is about the lesson. Try to take initiative, children. So, we will meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.